disasters. It comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. We'll never know. It's weighing me down, got my feet on the ground. Let's hide away from the lies and run away from the night. Let's run away.
Under 82 and a 9 on the 85, and King with a win, 71 on 70.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. No, I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
All right, getting the handicap start here, going to be the Step 5 Chevrolet truck, Chris Thompson out of Cordova, 791. Chasing is going to be David Bennett, 604 of the dial in Nova, left lane. 604 for Vogler, and he advances. Big spot coming right here to this pickup truck. Chris Thompson, 798 the dial. Ethan Smith, left side, 592.
I just made it back onto the house in Darlington. Things didn't go so well. The truck was running very inconsistent. I ran anywhere from a 793 to a 811 at the track. It was just all over the place, which is very unusual for my truck. After going back, watching some videos of it running, I noticed it. I was running both classes, but I noticed when I was running, whenever I'd come back around for the second class, basically hot lapping the truck, it was wanting to run to the lean side when it was going down the track. So I got it back here. I looked at it, scratching my head trying to figure out what was going on. Turns out I run E85 pretty much all the time in this truck, and during the winter season I was having issues with cold start on E85, and what I ended up doing is I went into the tune and just made it kind of add and pull fuel more aggressively. Basically when it was colder, I had it add more fuel, and as the truck got hotter I had it pull in more fuel just to help with the cold season. And with me hot lapping it like that, between it running cool for that first round and then coming straight back around to run the second one, it was wanting to run leaner on that second one, which was really messing me up. I mean, I tuned off a Lambda, but I was down to like a 0.82, 0.83 Lambda, which is right where I want to be with the truck naturally aspirated on the 85. And then when I turn around, come back for the second round, or the second class, I was all the way up to 0.9, 0.91, just very lean, and ended up going back, getting that straightened out. So we're going to try it again at Bowman tomorrow, see how it turns out, see if I can get her to stay straight. I know one pass with these ET Street R's, I took a recommendation from some guy at the track. He told me to drop the tire pressure down to like 15 pounds on the back, because I normally run around the 17 to 18 range. Well, I put it down to 15, and when I launched, I could feel the tire wrinkle up, which you don't want with a drag radial, and it ended up breaking traction in the back. And that was actually my slowest pass of an 811, which I'm sure that issue contributed to it, but even besides that one, I was still all over the place. I think even the one where I didn't wrinkle up the tire and I ran my normal pressure, I was hit at 807. So, but you'll see all the runs in the videos. I try to compile everything together. I want to give a big shout out to Bear. I'm gonna link his YouTube down in the description if you want to check him out. He got me a lot of footage and pictures. I wasn't able to get too much myself because I was, like I said, I was running both classes and I was just rushing around trying to get into the lanes and stuff like that, that I missed out on a lot of video. But he was out there, he had his drone, and he was getting a bunch of snapshots and everything, and I asked him if I could use them, and he gave me permission. So I want to give a huge shout out to Bear, and like I said, I'm link him down in the description. You check out his YouTube channel if you like. Other than that, I ended up making it to the, I would say I ended up making it to the second round in the top ET class, and then I got knocked out after that. The modified ET, I made it to the third round. They had a ton of cars out there. They had, I think it was 320 cars running in that event. So it was a big event. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get everything squared away with the truck. See if I can do well out at Bowman tomorrow. See if I can get her more consistent and back like she used to be. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all watching and staying tuned, keeping up with my videos. If you could like, subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. It really helps me out. I will be having the video for Bowman come out soon too. I'm trying to get on a schedule where I upload every 3 to 4 days. Like I said, I have a lot going on between work and working on this truck and editing, and I really didn't realize until I started this channel how much time it really takes up to do all the editing and stuff for the videos. I'm trying to get better with that. I'm looking at getting me a logo and intro for the channel, just something better than what I have now. So I'll be working on that. But yeah, in the next video you'll be seeing me run Bowman, and I'll still try to keep y'all up to date on all the racing and progress with the truck. I will be, that project that I got coming up, it will probably start here in 2 weeks. So you'll also catch that, and that's going to be a good one, fun project, and I'm going to do a full in-depth process of doing it. So we've been waiting on parts from Holly on it. That's what's been the hold up on it. We've had the stuff ordered for about 2 months now, and they've been having back order issues with a lot of stuff, so we've been waiting on that. But we finally got mounts and everything now to go ahead and get working on it. So that will be coming up soon, as far as at least getting the engine and trans and stuff mounted in it. Alright guys, again, I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for the next one, and y'all have a good day.